Dear students, today we are going to start with a new DSc course, that is Animal Biotechnology. So that is the second DSc other than immunology. So in this particular topic we would be first taking the introduction part. We are starting the particular study with the main objectives. At the end of this presentation, you should be able to answer these many questions. What is biotechnology? What is the origin of biotechnology? About basic and advanced biotechnology, and what is the scope of biotechnology. That means it covers mainly two topics, that is the concept and second is the scope of biotechnology. So let's talk about what is biotechnology. Biotechnology, which is made up of two words. Bio means life. So life sciences combined with technology is called as biotechnology. However, in your course you have to study animal biotechnology. What I want to clear is biotechnology is basically biological technology, so that includes the animals as well as the plants and the microorganisms. Here in animal biotechnology, our focus would more be on the animals, but it is not that. We would also be talking about plant biotechnology as well as the microorganisms biotechnology, because in biotechnology the organisms are used in a technology to get some kind of products, and they are employed for industries like making drugs, like making vaccines, etc. So we'll say that biotechnology is the branch of biology that uses biological organisms so as to exploit those organisms in industries. It is also utilized in agriculture, it is utilized in health sector, and of course the biotechnology which is being practiced in the labs, that is advanced type of biotechnology. So we'll have a look that what are the applications of biotechnology, or what is the actual meaning of biotechnology. It means the application of biological organisms or systems or processes to manufacture certain industrial products, or in other words it is the use of living organisms as well as their components in agriculture, food and other industrial processes, and that also includes the health sector. Now, the origin of biotechnology. Biotechnology is as old as human civilization. It is used since ages, such as in fermentation. We have been fermenting so many things at our houses, like your mothers, they are leavening the dough, we are let's say making the curd. So that is, all these are the examples of biotechnologies. That's why we say that it is as old as human civilization. It is, as a science, it is known to us little more than 100 years, otherwise it is very old. Like we have been fermenting the foods, we have been leavening the bread, we are preparing the alcoholic beverages, vinegar production of the curd, all that is included in, which is a known, it is a very old knowledge to us, and we have been utilizing it since ages. But nowadays, if we talk about the advanced biotechnology means we talk about the recombinant biotechnology, DNA technique. We have heard of recombinant DNA technique. Means we recombine the fractions of DNA from two different sources, and the purpose is that we need to combine a good quality from certain other organism, and that is present in the DNA, and then we make a new DNA which is called as recombinant. The DNA is recombinant, and hence this technology is called as recombinant DNA technology. PCR means multiplying the copies of DNAs, or let's say the RNAs. Cell culture means culturing the cell, or let's say the fusion, when we combine two type of, that is a kind of somatic, we involve the somatic part when we fuse the cells. So that is by let's say by passing the these are fused by applying the current on the cells, so they fuse and we combine two good qualities together. Or gene cloning means making the copy of the genes. DNA fingerprinting, by identifying the DNA of a particular person. So all these techniques, they are called as they are included in the, let's say, advanced biotechnology. First it is applied at the laboratory, in the laboratory. Then when something comes out, it goes to the industries, because its application is then in the industries where it is exploited. So there are besides all these, let's have a look at that we have so many sectors. There are so many applications, biotech applications, like we have applications, biotechnology applications in agriculture. We have also its application in health sector. We have applications of biotechnology in environment and as well as in industry. Let's have a look at the applications in agriculture, like GM planting, hybrids, making genetically modified plants. Like you've heard of GM cotton, you have heard of BT cotton, you have heard of BT brinjal. So these are all genetically modified plants. Or let's say the micropropagation, that you prepare the plants at your laboratory level within the labs, and then you make many copies, clones of these, and then you supply it. So that is micropropagation. Let's say producing the biofertilizers, or producing the biopesticides, or let's say we employ it for the purpose of animal improvement, the cattle breed that is improved. So these are all the applications of biotechnology in the field of agriculture. Similarly, if we look at the use of biotechnology in health sector. So what are the uses of biotechnology in health sector? What are we doing with the in the field of health sector? So in health sector, rDNA products, vaccines and diagnostics, all these are being prepared. As you see, in our case, latest example is the pandemic. What are the efforts of the scientists these days? They are preparing the vaccine for COVID-19. So that is how it is being developed. It is being developed by the biotechnologists. When preparing monoclonal antibodies, we'll be studying about that in detail. Stem cell technology, tissue specific delivery methods, all that we'll study in detail in the later chapters. So that all that is included in the health sector, in this very sector. Then is the industry. In the industry, you're preparing enzymes, fermentation based products. What are fermentation based products? Like wines, food, like cheese, biotech instruments, equipments, bioenergy, biofuel, bioinformatics, biomining, all these, they are the applications of biotechnology in industrial sector. Lastly is the environment. What do we do with how the biotechnology helps in environment? That is soil and water remediation, like waste management, wastewater management. That is also one of the application of biotechnology. In biosafety, GMOs, all these are the biotech applications. So that is all for today. We continue in the next chapter.